Do you have an error preventing the libfreetype-6 library DLL from loading? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the issue and have the verified solution to fix your system today. To start our troubleshooting for libfreetype-6 library, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the libfreetype-6 library, a high-performance font rendering library used by hundreds of cross-platform applications and game engines. It manages glyph, rasterization, and anti-aliasing. Missing versions result in the host application displaying empty boxes instead of text or crashing during the UI font-initialization phase. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. The libfreetype-6 library DLL module is a localized part of the FreeType Project integration, and you should reinstall the specific application that is failing to launch to ensure this internal library is correctly restored. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the libfreetype-6 library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Be aware that manual interventions for libfreetype-6 library DLL often create secondary conflicts. Using an incorrect file version can cause cascading application crashes, making your workstation significantly less stable than before. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. If registry clutter or libfreetype-6 library inconsistencies are suspected, the maintenance tool below offers general documentation. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved libfreetype-6 library error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.